completely honest, hindi ko alam kung paano ko umpisahan yung video na to. But at some point, I need to do this. Okay, I'm so sorry. I've been like MIA for the past week. Parang isang linggo akong walang upload because I've been super duper busy. Pero this week, I'll be back on regular programming. Hopefully. But for today's video, gaya na sinabi ko sa last video ko, meron ako i-share na parang bonggang-bonggang chika. And hear me out, you guys. Here we go. So, I'm putting up a business na matagal ko ng pangarap gawin. Matagal ko ng gustong i-launch ng bonggang-bongga. It's been my dream to have this kind of business. And that is a clothing and accessory business. And, well, when you say clothing, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga is hoodie. Yeah. So, nagtayo ako ng online shop where I'll be selling my hoodies, my own design, my own creation of hoodies, you guys. By the way, excuse my... Ayan. That's not dumi, okay? That's not, alikabok, bacteria and everything. Dye yan. As in yung dye, like pangkulay. Kasi I've been experimenting with different colors. I've been experimenting with different, styles ng mga designs ng hoodie. So, alam mo yun, nagkakatint tuloy yung. Kanina lang gumawa ako, so nagkatint yung aking kamay. So, excuse that. Anyway, so, I have an online business and I hope you support me, guys. I'll be posting the design soon. Pero for now, I would like to invite you guys na i-follow nyo yung Instagram account ng online business ko. It's at emo.clothing on Instagram. Link down below. And, yeah, I invite you to like the page, you guys, at abangan ninyo yung pagpo-post ko ng mga designs. Sana supportahan ninyo ako. This is like my dream, you guys. Dream ko talaga na mag-design ng mga hoodies and share with you guys and, you know, just be creative with hoodies because I'm addicted to hoodies. I love hoodies. I love pullovers. When I was working sa ABS-CBN, parang refrigerator yung office namin. So every day, we wear jackets, we wear hoodies, and I'm so into hoodies talaga. And you guys, bilang launch ng aking online shop, I created, oh my god, I created this hoodie. This is like sort of kind of my merch. And as you can see, eto yung design. If you've been following me, you know na I love lippies, I love lipstick, I love liquid lipstick, I love lip glosses, anything lippies. I'm addicted to lippies. So I came up with this design. Ayan, oh. That's my kamay, you guys. And that's a liquid lipstick. And ayan, my lips. And then it's colorful. And it's pabilog kasi I feel like tayo mga makeup enthusiasts, we have this, our own little colorful happy world where we share things with each other. We share our passion for makeup, our passion for beauty and everything. So it's like pabilog. It's like, you know, our little bubble, our little world. And it's colorful because for me, makeup is fun. Makeup is colorful. And yeah, because I love lippy, I love liquid lipstick. So yeah. That is my first design, you guys. Para to sa mga lippy addicts out there. And this is going to be my first design. This is going to be available sa Emo Clothing. Emo as in EMU because that's the initials of my daughter. I know, it's so cheesy. But I love my daughter so much, so sa kanya ko ipapangalan yung aking online business. Bilang launch natin ngayon, I have a giveaway, you guys. Yes, I have a giveaway. So all you have to do, guys, is follow yung Emo Clothing Instagram. And then I'll be posting a photo there of a photo of me wearing this. All you have to do is i-repost nyo yung picture na yon sa Instagram ninyo. And then you tag me and just say whatever. Just post it on your Instagram page, on your feed, and then tag me. And then tag Emo Clothing. That's all you have to do. I'm going to pick 2 winners. Well, I might pick more. Na mananalo nitong aking first own design ng hoodie. Of course, your size. So yeah, that's it. Oh my god, I can't believe na shinare ko na sa inyo. Guys, I'll keep you posted. I have so many plans. I have so many designs na pagpipilian ko pa sa mga hoodies. So if you're a hoodie lover, if you're a pullover, long sleeve, whatever lover, oh my god, you're gonna love my designs. Sort of. I hope. Well, here's the thing. If you cannot wait for the giveaway and if you wanna get your hands on this hoodie, you can buy it na. Yeah. And by the way, itong hoodie na to, hindi siya basta-basta, guys. This is gildan, and it's very makapal. Well, makapal in a sense na it really looks matibay. It really looks pang matagalan talaga. Hindi siya yung manipes. Hindi rin siya yung parang, anong tawag dito? Ilang laba lang, mapupunit na. It's gildan. It's really matibay. So this particular hoodie, this is just 500 pesos. I'm going to have a free delivery within Metro Manila area. But of course, outside Metro Manila, I think I need to charge you guys because you're so far away. For the introductory season, for the launching season, free delivery tayo within Metro Manila for the first couple of weeks. So again, if you cannot wait to get your hands on this really cute hoodie, ayan. Yan, like that. You can order it na sa Emo Clothing, link down below. It's just 500 pesos, you guys. First, pag nilabas ko ng mga designs ko, mag-iiba-iba na yung mga prices niyan, depende sa design. And you guys, yung mga designs na ilalabas ko, it's going to be like personally made. Hindi siya parang binili ko lang somewhere and then i-resell ko lang. No. Gawa ko talaga siya, design ko talaga siya. So please watch out for it and please support me. Please be there for me. I need you guys. This is like my dream talaga to put up a business. So, wish me luck. So yeah, this video is going to be super duper crazy. I feel crazy right now. But I hope you follow what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to show you guys. So please, oh my god. Please support me on this journey, and I promise you guys I will deliver the very, very best service. Hindi lang dun sa business, hindi lang sa Emo Clothing, but of course here on YouTube where we met. Again, guys, please follow Emo Clothing sa Instagram. I'll link down below. Emo, E-M-U. It's my daughter's name. So please do support me, guys, and please do support my first design. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for listening and for taking time to watch this video. I will see you sa Emo Clothing Instagram page. So holla me, PM me. So again, yung giveaway ko, just repost the photo that I'm going to post sa Emo Clothing Instagram page, and then caption whatever, tag me, my Instagram, and tag Emo Clothing, and kasali ka na sa giveaway. And again, if you can't wait for the giveaway and you want to get your hands on this really, really nice hoodie, contact mo lang, mag-message ka lang, mag-DM ka lang, mag-PM ka lang, lahat na sa Emo Clothing, and merong sasagot sa'yo doon, sasagot sa'yo mga inquiries, alright? And abangan ninyo yung mga lalabas ko, mga designs, you guys. You're gonna love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.